Welcome to our channel. If you want to mix things up and enjoy your playlists in a new way, shuffling your songs on Spotify is the perfect solution. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to shuffle any playlist on Spotify, whether you're on mobile, desktop, or using a smart device. Let's get started. Open Spotify and choose your playlist. Start by opening the Spotify app on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to the playlist you want to shuffle. You can pick one from your library, from recommendations, or create a new playlist. Shuffle on mobile, iOS and Android. On mobile, once you've selected the playlist, tap the play button to start the music. Below the playback controls, you'll see the shuffle icon, two crisscrossed arrows. Tap this icon to shuffle your playlist. Your songs will now play in random order. Shuffle on desktop. On desktop, open the playlist you want to shuffle. At the top left corner of the screen, next to the play button, you'll see the shuffle icon. Click on this icon, and the songs in the playlist will start playing in random order. Shuffling on smart devices. If you're using a smart speaker like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, just ask your device to shuffle your playlist. For example, say, "Hey Google, shuffle my playlist," and the device will begin playing the songs randomly. Turn off shuffle. If you ever want to stop shuffling and play songs in their original order, simply tap or click the shuffle icon again to turn it off. The playlist will return to its original sequence. Shuffle personalized playlists. Spotify's personalized playlists, such as Discover Weekly or Release Radar, are perfect for shuffling. Just follow the same steps to shuffle these playlists, and you'll get a fresh mix of tracks every time you listen. By following these simple steps, you can shuffle your playlists on Spotify and keep your music sessions exciting and dynamic. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.